In this tutorial, I would just like to point out the existence of the COBRA plugin for SAMMI. So if you're familiar with metabolic modeling or constraint-based modeling, COBRA is a very famous toolbox. This is the home page for the COBRA toolbox. They just recently came out with version 3.0. And there's also a Python version, or COBRA Py, that are used to model fluxes in metabolism and do a lot of other things in terms of modeling metabolism. So we have developed plugins for you to work with SAMMI directly from those platforms. So here I have a MATLAB plugin and the Python plugin. So from the home page of SAMMI, you can check out the documentations. This is SAMMI in MATLAB. The documentation is fairly short because there's not a whole lot to explain. It refers back largely to the SAMMI documentation because a lot of the features are the same. But we do provide a lot of different examples. So these are different examples of how to load a model, how to parse the model to subgraphs, and how to do all of that directly from within MATLAB. And similarly in COBRA Py, how to install, how to update it, and also all these different examples. What I'd also like to point out is you can call any of these examples from the SAMMI.test function, and similar from MATLAB, you have this test SAMMI function. So here, for example, we just load a terminal window, just open the Python, say import SAMMI, and if you run something like SAMMI.test, it just loads the model in the browser window. Right. So this is the second example. So calling this command is similar to calling these commands from within Python. So please check out this documentation. Look at different examples. A lot of the same functionality is present, and you can change the map while you load, and there's a lot to it. So you can say, SAMMI.test 7. That's going to load, the model with some data already. So it's a really nice way of mapping your simulation data and visualizing simulation data directly within SAMMI. So please check it out. Thank you.